Hello, friends and loved ones. Yeah, we are just walking into the store. Today we are going to get a new microwave. Hubby wants to get me a new microwave. In fact, I want to tell you something. Someone, she's around here. She's one of my PAs. In fact, this girl you people are seeing has destroyed 3 microwaves in my house. Oh my God. In less than how long, guys? Is this fair? Is this fair? I feel like cutting off this head, chop it off. But never mind. God did me wonders. My husband's friend and brother that came to visit for his birthday. He came to make up for his birthday because he couldn't make it on the birthday celebration day. So he now came on Tuesday. That was on Tuesday, right? And then he saw that I was so angry. And he said, what's happening? Wunye mama, kedi for. See, this girl, maybe kwana my microwave again. I couldn't warm soup for him. He likes to swallow. Guys, he likes to swallow. But he came. I couldn't make soup because I couldn't warm up the soup because it's so frozen. He ate rice and salad that day, even though it's not what he wanted to eat though. And then he sent us some money and said, hubby should add up some money to it and get me a big microwave. So that's what we're about to go and get. Come on and see. We are at Target. Yeah.
Hello.
So guys, we are here at Target. Yeah, that's where we are. At Savannah Mall. We are here at Target. Yeah, so we are walking into Target to see if I'll get some good stuffs. Come on, let's go right. Yeah. So guys, I have to cover up myself because we are in the store. Let's go. I think we should go this way. Good girl.
Excuse me.
I wanted to check out this.
Okay.
Come on. It's about coat time.
Oh.
Yeah, this is pretty. Oh yeah. I'm going to tell you something like this.
Okay, thank you. Okay. You good?
are looking for microwave for now, I don't think you have seen any yet. Either we may still have to go to another store because I don't think my hubby got any. See my hubby and Esther coming. Actually, yeah. I don't think they got their one.
Or the big as the other one.
Are they big as the other one?
Oh, that's the only one.
They saw one, guys, and it's not as big as the one I was using. So I think we may have to stop by to another store. So guys, we are here in Home Depot to see if we can see exactly, the type of, the stuffs I want, to see if I'll get exactly my size of microwave. Oh my God, I don't feel good that I didn't see it. So guys, this is Home Depot. You can get your flowers here. All kind of flowers here. So Home Depot is a place where you can get all manner of building materials. There is nothing when it comes to building. Your grilling machine, your freezers, your plants. If you're a gardener, if you have garden, you can buy orange, lemon, lime, mango, basil, scent leaf. So it's a different kind of store where you get all manner of stuffs. Yeah. This is a mighty home. Show me anything. Let's go. So this is October here in where we live in Savannah, in America. They say it's Halloween. I don't believe in it. We call it Hallelujah in my church. See how funny. See how funny. Did you see how funny that looks? I mean, it's crazy, right? You can buy with your money. See what people can buy with their money. They say it's Halloween. How can you just imagine stuffs like this? It says Halloween. I don't care about this. It's not Christ. Yeah, it's not for me and my family. I told you see building materials here. There is nothing you will not get here to build. You get your grilling machine. See how beautiful they look. Yeah. Oh shit, it's all sizes, it's all types. Come on. Here is all the stuff. Yeah. This is all the stuff you can get here. Come on, let's go to the microwave section. So I'm trying to see if I can get the size I want. My microwave size is 2.2, but I'm not getting exactly. The sizes I'm getting here is not as huge as my microwave size. So honestly, I pray and wish I get my microwave size. That will make it. Yeah, I can see 2.2. Yeah, the prices are so huge, man. I can see 2.2. Baby, oh my God. Baby, is it the same color with the one I have? This is LG, guys. I'm trying to see if I will go for the LG. They don't open in the boxes. Or this if you want to open this. Want to open it. You can see the top. That's the product. It's 1,000. This one is more. This one is 2.1. Then pasta. Okay, answer them, so we just take one. So, baby, are we going for? Okay, she's here. You can ask her. Come on, let's show you. This is for 2.2, right? It's bigger than the 1.7.
This is a countertop like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is over the green.
Oh, this is the one I want. It's more bigger.
It is bigger, but that one sits on the counter. This one hooks up under the counter.
And then,
Have a great rest of your day.
we can't open it that way, can we? So what color is it? Okay, so I'll just take this one. Okay, put that one. Then actually take a picture with it and say my dear. So guys, see what I'm talking about. Baby got me a new microwave. I am happy. Thank God, hubby got me another one. So guys,
Okay. I'll take it.
eh?
I'll take it.
So I got another one. Yes, this is the almighty Home Depot where you get any kind of thing you want for your home. All home equipment, you get it here. Yeah, you want to build your house, you get everything here. Your paint, everything you want is here in Home Depot. So you want to check it out? Good. Let's you always get your home equipment here. Your kitchen cabinet and so on. Isn't this beautiful? Watch it. They are beautiful and gorgeous. Come on. Some people here, guys, see, like you get your freezers here. See what I'm saying? A lot of people buy their stuffs here. Guys, a lot of people buy their stuffs here and they send it to Africa to build. Yeah, a lot of people buy their stuff here in Home Depot. They send it to Africa. They ship it to Africa, whichever way they do. They just roll their stuff and then they build their house. They have the electrical section. I mean, they have different section here. You get good stuffs here. Come on. Yeah, you can get your WC stuff here. You can get your pantry stuffs. Come on. Just zero it brown. Guys, see what hubby bought me. this is to set up my pantry. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful, isn't it? See? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I can even make it 6 if I want. Yeah. Hubby got me this. Oh my goodness, hubby got me this. Oh my goodness. Hubby got me this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh yes, my hubby is the best. So happy I got all the things I have wanted. I got my microwave, baby got me the pantry shelf, you know, the shelf. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Stay tuned. So guys, we are here in another store. We are here. Change something. Pick 1 or 2 things. Yeah. Let's go.
You were going behind me, dear.
So see, we have beautiful stuffs here. Yeah, I got some things here 2 weeks ago. So today I want to see if I'm gonna change something I bought 2 weeks ago. Yeah. It's really beautiful. I'm not even doing it. Guys, we won't find nothing there. I just want to change.
You can go.
So let's go. Let me see if I will change. Oh, video quite beautiful bags and everything. Size, guys. Oh, mom, no carrier. How the more bright as here?
Yeah.
So if you were me, you would choose this one.
But she was like,
Right? I don't know about the same price, honestly. I would rather take this. Yo, I can't let me when he hang out.
Oh.
Some of my beautiful.
A little bit more time.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. They are giving off 30% off on stuffs. Trying to see if I can get this for my juice. Trying to see if I'll get the blender here, but it's not safe. There's no blender.
Yeah, I want to eat them too. I'm hungry too.
I do like it in here. I like this, you know. Let me see what this was. The prices are going to be like. Guys, isn't this awesome? Yeah, I know how beautiful.
So look at that dress, is beautiful.
How will my size? What size is one of these? What size is one of you? I wish all my size. So friends and loved ones, we've come to the end of this today's video. What I got is, something I have wanted to change. I got this 2 weeks ago and I wanted to change it because I don't like the way it looks on me, but my kids say it's pretty, but I don't like it. Yeah, but right now they refuse to change it. I tried to buy a couple of stuffs, but the prices are so much, so I think I'm going to stop for right now. I didn't know Google even like that. So guys, here is my new this is a brand new one again. Hubby got it for me. Guys, see, hubby sets this pantry. He set it up for me. Yep. He already set it up for me. He already set it up for me, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I feel so good. Yeah, I tried to move my stuffs around. Yeah, we came back since and we've been trying to put it in order. Yes, so I will just take you guys along as I, get things, sorted out. All these buckets are where I have my rice, beans, and so on. Yeah, I think I'll show you this on a good day. Thank you all for staying tuned. Gucci's team, I love you all so much. Thank you for shopping with us today. If you're just stopping by, thank you so much. A huge thank you. I love you all. Thank you for supporting this family. We love you all so much. Bye bye. See you again in my next video.